Okay, guys. So, hello, ZNB Tapi. I hope all of you are doing well. Hello, ZNB Krishna. Good afternoon, very good afternoon, ZNB Kadapa. Hello. Yes. Okay, guys. I'm launching the technical polls. Okay, just respond in the polls whether my voice is clear to all of you or not, and also my screen is visible clearly or not. Just respond to the polls. Already poll has been launched. Yes, guys. Everything is good. Very good. So let's start. Okay. So, guys, today we are going to start our first lecture of circle, right? We're going to start our first lecture of circle. Okay. We have completed straight lines. Now we'll start circle. After circle, we'll start parabola, hyperbola, and ellipse. Okay. Parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. Okay. Okay. So in this session, what are the concepts we are going to cover? First thing is locus. We'll first see locus definition of circle and also equation of circle. Then we'll learn the diameter form of the circle. If the diameter is given, then how can you find this equation of circle? And also we'll see parametric form of the circle. Then circle under some special conditions, we'll see intercept made by the circles and position of a point with respect to circle. In case of line also we learn these things. Okay, and now also we'll study position of a point with respect to a circle and also position of a line with respect to a circle. All these things we'll try to cover in this session. Okay, so let's start. Let's start with the locus definition of circle. So what is that actually? Locus means it's a fixed path, na? Always for a certain path. You know? It is the locus of a point. What is the definition? It is the locus of a point, okay, which moves in a plane such that in such a way that its distance from a fixed point is always constant. Its distance from a fixed point will be always constant. Suppose here I have a point and this is my fixed point, then I will move this point in such a way that so always the distance between the fixed point and the moving points will be fixed, constant. Then what is the geometrical shape you are getting is called my circle. It's called a circle. So this is the locus definition of circle, and this is known as the radius of the circle, right? So let's go next. Equation of circle. All of you know equation of circle, center radius form, or we can say center at origin. This is the equation when the center is at origin, that is, and the radius is a. Radius is a and the center is origin. Then the equation of circle is actually x square plus y square is equal to a square. It's very simple, no? Yes or no? Okay. See, origin coordinate of origin is 0, 0. And we have a moving point P such that the coordinate of P is xy. Then the distance between this point P and the origin, what is that? How can you, if I'll ask you to find the distance between the origin and the point P, then what is the distance will be? That is under root of x square, x minus 0 square, that is x square, plus y minus 0 square, that is y square, is equal to, what is this? A na is equal to A. So if I'll squaring on both sides, what you will get? X square plus y square is equal to A square. So this is the equation of circle when the center is at origin. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear to everyone, guys? Let me know in the chat box. So this is the center at origin. Okay. The second case is if the center is not at origin, in other place the center is situated, then what will be the equation of circle? That is, suppose I am taking here my center is x1 y1, it's not at origin, right? So then the equation of circle will be x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square is equal to a square. Is that clear? Yes or no? Similar process, if you will derive the equation, if you will derive the equations, then this is my point P, which is the moving point, and this is my fixed point, that is center C. So distance between this P and C. So what will happen? So that is x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square is equal to a square. Because if I'll take under root, then here we'll be having a. And if I'll squaring on both sides, what you will get? That is a square. Yes or no? Is that clear to everyone? So this is the center is not at origin equation of circle. Is that clear to everyone? Guys, is that clear to everyone? In the last class, I have discussed the previous year questions of straight lines, but nobody is present there. I don't know why. Okay, let's forget about it. Concentrate on today's class. Okay, so now what is the general equation of circle? If I'll ask you, what is the general? This is the center radius form, and where the center is x1 y1 and the radius is a, then the equation of circle is like this. Then if I'll ask you to find the general equation of circle, that is actually x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general. Remember, all of you know, I hope all of you know this. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Circle is a portion of conic, right? Is that or not? Yes. So actually this equation is derived from the general equation of conic section. What is the general equation of conic section? That is the third degree general equations, right? So from that equation only the general equation of circle is derived. Every equation of conic sections will be derived from that equation, general equation, third degree general equation. Say all these equations will be derived, right? So no need to go through the derivation. We don't need that things. Just remember the general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where the center is minus g minus f and the radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. It's clear? Is it fine? Is it fine or not? Yes or no? Let me know in the chat box, everyone. Is it fine? Guys? Or you need to explain me in details? Yes. No need to. Yes, thank you. So no need to go through the derivations, all these things. Just remember this center and radius and this circle. We can derive also. From this equation also you can derive. And suppose you have a circle, equation of circle centered at origin, HK, and radius as R. Okay, radius as ALL. Okay. Then the equation of circle will be x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to a square, right? If we'll open this left hand side, so what will happen? X square plus h square minus 2hx plus y square plus k square minus 2ky is equal to a square. Okay, this you are getting. So if we'll rearrange this, all these terms, x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky plus h square plus k square minus a square is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation you are getting, and we know we have another equation, that is the general equation of circle, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. If I'll ask you to compare both the equations, then what is the center will be? In this circle, center is HK and radius is A. Okay, so in this circle, center is minus g minus f and radius is under root of g square plus f square minus c. So if I'll compare these two equations, what we will get? So center is actually what you are getting, minus 2h is equal to, see here, we have x square here, we have x square here, we have y square here, we have y square here. But in the coefficient of x, we have here minus 2s. These equations are represent to the equation of circle. Okay, so these here in this case, x having the coefficient as minus 2h, and here x having the coefficient as 2g. So 2 will be cancelled out, then h will be minus g. And similarly, if we compare 2ky, minus 2k is equal to 2f, then 2 will be cancelled out, then k I'm getting minus f. So center becomes here, center becomes sk becomes minus g minus f. And what is c here? C here I'm getting a square plus k square minus a square. So h is minus g, that is g square plus f square minus a square. So a square becomes g square plus f square minus c, right? Okay? And now we can say a is actually my g square plus f square minus c. So this is my radius. Is that or not? Is it understood now? It feels better now? Yes, everyone, respond in the chat box, guys. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. Okay, suppose you have a question here. Yes, thank you. So suppose it's a questions from JMN 2015. Okay, so it's a very simple, it's a questions based on this very basic things. Okay, so if the incenter of an equilateral triangle is 1 1, so what do you mean by incenter? Who can say what do you mean by incenter? Incenter क्या होता है? What is incenter? Tell me. Anyone of you know what is incenter? So incenter means the intersection, the point of intersections of all the angle bisectors of a triangle, right? Suppose here angle bisectors. Suppose here we have a triangle ABC, and this is the angle bisector of the angle B, and suppose this is the angle bisector of angle A, and this is the angle bisector of angle C, right? A, B, C. So the point of intersection, this point is known as my incenter. Okay, incenter. Okay, if I'll inscribe the circle inside the triangle, if I'll inscribe the circle inside the triangle, so okay, inside the circle, sorry, inside the triangle, if I'll inscribe the circle, then if the incenter of an, then it is known as actually my incenter. So okay, if the incenter of an equilateral triangle is 1 1, and the equation of its one side, is given as 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, then the equation of circumcircle of this triangle, you need to find the circumcircle, equation of circumcircle. That means the circle passing through all the 3 vertex of the triangle. So this red wala circle is called circumcircle. Okay, so can you solve it? Can you able to solve it, guys? Okay, okay, I'm EDNC. Yes. Okay, now tell me. Okay, chalo, let's solve these questions for you. I'm solving first things. Okay, suppose this length is r, this small length is r. Okay, and the inscribed circle, the radius of the inscribed circle is r. I'm taking from this point to this point. Okay, and the radius of the circumcircle is r, capital R. Okay, radius of the circumcircle is capital R, and the radius of this inscribed circle is smaller. Okay, and it is already given that the coordinate of this point is 1 1. Okay, the coordinate of this point is 1 1, and the equation of its one side is, suppose I am taking this equation, this side AC, equation of AC is given as 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0, right? We need to find the equation of circumcircle by using these two informations only, right? Okay, so can you find R, that is in center, sorry, in radius? It is R is called in radius, that is the radius of inscribed circle. Okay, so can you find a radius? Yes, we can. R, small r, we can find now, because we have a line that is 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0, and also we have a point 1 1. So we need to find the perpendicular distance from the point 1 1 to the line, this, nothing else. Yes or no? So radius will be, what will be radius? Mod of 3 into 1, that is 3, plus 4 into 1, that is 4, plus 3 upon under root of 3 square plus 4 square. That is, what is that? That is 3 plus 3, 9, 4, yes, 4, 3, 7, 10. Mod of 10 upon 5, that is 2. So small r, I am getting 2. Is that clear to everyone? Small r, I am getting 2. Clear? Okay. So now tell me, if this is given as an equilateral triangle, and all the angles of the triangles will be 60 degree, then if this green line is the angle bisector of the angle B, can I say that means R is equal to 2, I am getting here, small r, huh? So this will be 30 degree. Yes or no? So in this right angle triangle, let's look up at the figure. In this right angle triangle, if I'll ask you to find the sine 30, what will happen? So sine 30, what is the value of sine 30 here? You can say sine 30 will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and perpendicular is R here, na? Perpendicular is R, small r upon capital R. Yes. So small r is already, we got the value of small r, that is 2 upon capital R. And we know what is the value of sine theta. Sine theta is 1 by 2, that is 2 upon R. So capital R I am getting, that is 4. Okay. Now we can easily, we got the radius of the circumcircle, and also we have the center, right? So the equation of the circle, equation of circle having center at 1 1 and radius 4, then the equation of circle will be, tell me. So x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 4 square. Is that or not? Just open it now. Just open it. What will be? What will you get? X square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y is equal to 16. So this will be x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 2x minus 2y, 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 2 minus 16, that is minus 14 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circumcircle. Required equation of the circumcircle. So which option is the correct one? X square plus y square minus 2x. Option A is the correct one. Is that clear to everyone? Option A is correct. Is that clear to everyone, guys? Yes. If you have any doubt, you can ask. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Tell me. You two guys also, you can respond in the chat box. Clear? Is there any doubt? You can ask. What I did actually, you need to understand this in center, inscribed circle, circumcircle, circumcenter, and radius. In radius is called the radius of the inscribed circle, and capital is R is the radius of the circumcircle. Is it clear to all? we did not use any complicated concept here. We just used the incenter and circumcircle wala funda, nothing else. Is that clear to everyone? Yes. Please respond in the chat box. If it is not clear, then write no, sir. We did not understood these things. Yes. This is your first class. That's why I'm taking time. Okay, guys. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Zenmi Mai. Very good. Okay. Let's move to the next question. We will solve questions only in this class. Okay. Chalo. Okay. So suppose this is the questions and you have 1 minute for these questions. And your time starts now. Start solving. Hmm. Okay, it's time. Anyone got the answer? No one? Chalo, don't worry. We'll solve it. Okay. So in the question is asking a square is inscribed in the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y minus 103 is equal to 0. With its sides are parallel to the coordinate axis. Then the distance of the vertex of this square, which is nearest to the origin. That means you need to find the distance between origin with all the vertex of the square, and which distance will be minimum. That is your answer, right? Clear? And it is given that you have a circle also, guys. You have a circle here, right? If you have a circle, then you have also you have the radius and center also. Suppose these all the sides of the squares are parallel to the coordinate axis, like that only, right? Let's solve. What is the center of the circle? If this is my circle, so what is the center? X square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y. The center will be, we can say, what is the center? Center will be minus g minus f, that is 3 minus 4. Okay, and what is the radius? Radius will be on root of g square, that is 9, plus f square, that is 16, minus plus and minus of minus 103, that is plus 103. That is 1 to under root of 128. And root of 128 is actually 68 root 2. Right? 8 root. If the radius is 8 root 2, then the capital R will be the diameter. What is the diameter will be? Tell me. If radius is 8 root 2, then diameter will be 16 root 2. Yes or no? 16 root 2 it will be. Okay, let's move to the figure first. Okay, the center is 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. Okay, and suppose this is the diagonal, and we know the radius of the circle is given as 8 root 2, right? 8 root 2. Okay, so if this point is 3, 4, and the radius is 8 root 2, then what is the side of the circle? What will be the side of the? Okay, tell me if the diameter of the circle. Diameter is also the diagonal, one diagonal of the square. It's also the length of the diagonal of the square. Okay, so if it is the diagonal of square also, then can you find the side of the square? Side of the square will be, if diagonal is 16 root 2, then side will be diagonal upon root 2, that is 16. So side, the length of the side of the square I am getting, that is 16. All are same, that is 16. Okay, so if I will join the half of this point and also these 2 points. Okay, so this length will be 8. This length will be 8. So till here, to reach this point, we move on y-axis, that is -4. 3 minus 4. Then if we will try to reach these points, so how many points you need to shift upwards? That is 8 in y-axis. On y-axis we need to shift 8 units upwards to reach these points. Then the y coordinate will be -4 plus 8. -4 plus 8, that is +4. The y coordinate of this point will be, suppose this point is A, +4. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, is that clear? Okay, now if the y coordinate of this point A is 4, then what will be the x coordinate will be? The x coordinate will be, so that is, here we have the x coordinate, that is 3. Okay, 3. To reach these points, we need to go forward 8 units on x-axis, then we'll reach this point. So 3 plus 8, that is 11. Similarly, we can find the coordinate of point B also. So point B, what will the coordinate of point B? That means y coordinate will be same, that is 4, and x coordinate will be, that is here to here we have 16. That is 3 minus 3 plus 8, na? 3 minus 8, that is -5. Okay, so coordinate of point B is -5. Similarly, coordinate of C, can you find coordinate of C? So x coordinate will be same, that is -5, and y coordinate 3 minus 8, that is -5. -4 minus 8, that is -12. Sorry, -4 minus 8, that is -12. So coordinate of point C is -5, -12. Coordinate of D will be, x coordinate will be, what is the x coordinate? 3 plus 8, that is 11, and y coordinate will be here 4. 11, 4. Is that 11, 4? No. What will the y coordinate? That is, here we have 4. So 4 minus 16, that is -12. Okay, so we got all the coordinates of all the vertex of the square. So we got the coordinate of A as 11, 4, coordinate of B as -5, 4, coordinate of C we got, that is -5, -12, and coordinate of D, that is 11, -12. Don't look at the coordinate axis, because to understand to you, actually I have taken the coordinate axis, because all the sides are parallel to the coordinate axis. We can move our points and we can find all the vertex coordinate of all the vertex. Okay, so that means now we need to find what we need to find. We need to find the distance between origin and all these points. That means we need to find OA, OB, OC, OD. So if you will find OA, OB, OC, OD, then what will be your answer? What is your OA? What will be your OA? Tell me, what will be OA? We need to find now. That is under root of, simple na? Fine. OA. Under root of 4 square minus 0, 0 point. Distance between these 2 points. Okay. So that is 4 square plus 11 square. That is 16 plus 121. The on root of 137. Right? OB on root of 4 square plus 5 square. That is 5. Yes. 25 plus 16 on root of 41. And OC will be on root of 12 square plus 5 square. That is 144 plus 25. That is 169, which is 13. OD 11 square plus 12 square. That is 121 plus 144. That is 265 on root of 265. Okay. So what is the minimum distance? What is the least distance between origin and all these points A, B, C, D? So OB, the distance between the point B and origin is the least distance. That is on root of 14, right? On root of 14 is the least distance between origin and the point B. Then we can say what is the answer? Answer is like on root of 41. Option C is that OB. Yes, on root of 41. Option C is the correct one. Option C is your correct answer. Is that clear to everyone, guys? Let's respond in the chat box. Is that clear to everyone? Yes? Clear? Yes or no? Okay. That's all. Thank you. Okay. These questions you can take it as your homework questions. It's very simple questions also. A circle passes through points 2, 3, 4, 5, and its center lies on the circle on the line this. Then its radius is equal to. We'll discuss the solution in the next class, and you should try these questions after the class. Okay, and try to find the answer of these questions also. Okay, let's move to the next concept, that is diameter form of a circle. If you have a diameter, if you have the end points of the diameter, then how can you find the equation of the circle? Is that clear to everyone? So this is the equation. This is the equation of the circle when the end of the diameter is given. Okay, when the end of the diameter are given, then the equation of circle is actually x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2. So how actually? We know when we'll draw two sectors in a circle, then if those sectors started from a single point, then the angle between them is 90 degrees. Yes or no? Then the angle between them is 90 degrees. Is that clear? Okay. Then can we say slope of AP, suppose this point is P and the coordinate of this point is XY. Can we say slope of AP into slope of AB is -1? Yes, because both the lines are AB or PB. PB, no? Slope of PB is -1 because we know when two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of their slope will be -1. Simple. Then try to find the slope of AB. If the coordinate of point P is XY and the coordinate of point A is Y1, then what will be the slope? Y minus Y1 upon X minus X1. Then into PB, that is Y minus Y2 into X minus X2 is equal to -1. Now try to simplify these things. You will get the equation of the circle in diameter form. If you will simplify it, you will get x minus x1 into x minus x2 is equal, cross multiply kar do na, plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of circle when the end coordinate of the end of the diameter is given. Is that clear to everyone? Guys, let's respond in the chat box. Is that clear to everyone? Yes or no? Diameter form is understood to all of you, guys. Clear? Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's move. Parametric form, parametric equation of the circle. And remember this one, no need to derive all these things. It's very small derivation also. Just you remember when the circle is x square plus y square, its parametric equation will be, okay, its parametric equation will be x is equal to x cos theta, a cos theta, and y is equal to a sin theta. Parametric coordinate means these, so point, matlab, these are the coordinate of P also, any point on the circle. Okay, so x is a cos theta and y is a sin theta, where a is the radius. Circle is a square plus x square plus y square is equal to a square. Right? Is that clear to everyone? Then you can verify also, na, if you put this point in the circle, then it will be satisfying or not. Let's check. So that is x, in place of x we will put a cos theta, that is a square cos square theta, plus in place of y we will put a square sin square theta. So if you will take common a square, so what you will have? Cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is a square. Yes or no? It is satisfying or not? Yes, it is satisfying, because this is one. Clear? So this is the parametric form of the circle, or we can say also the parametric coordinate of the circle, right? Parametric coordinate of the circle. So suppose you have an equation of circle like this: x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square. Then what is the parametric coordinate of this circle also? The parametric coordinate will be r x is equal to h plus a cos theta and y is equal to h plus k plus a sin theta. These are the parametric coordinates of this circle when the circle is in the this form. Is that clear to everyone, guys? Clear? What is the time? It's we have few minutes more also. Everyone clear, guys? Yes, thank you. Very good. Okay. So next, you have an example also. Find the parametric equation of this circle. Can you find the parametric equation of this circle? What are the parametric coordinates? X is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta when the center is at origin. But if you have the equation like this, then how can you find? Can I write this in the last form? Can I write this in the last form? Yes. Here the center is minus 3, 2. Right? And the radius is on root of 3 square plus 2 square plus 12. That is 9 plus 4, 13 plus 12. That is on root of 25. It's equal to 5. Yes. So you can find what is the parametric form of this equation. You can find easily. Okay, let's take it as a homework question. Try it and come with this also. Whew. Time. Okay. Let's move. Okay, now you can see here in the screen, your screen, there are some special conditions for circle. Okay, the first case is the equation of circle touching x-axis. Dekho, this is my first case. When the equation, when the circle touches the x-axis at the point P, that means if the center coordinate of the center is hk, then the radius will be y coordinate of the center. Yes or no? Y coordinate of the center, because on y axis to reach these points on y axis I have to move this length, that is k length. So what is the radius? Radius is k square. So radius is k. Then the equation of circle will be x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to radius square, that is k square. Simple. Similarly, if the equation of circle, if the circle touches y axis, then the radius will be x coordinate, because to reach this point I need to move on x axis from point to P to C h length. Then the radius becomes h. Then the equation of circle will be x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to h square. Similarly, the other two conditions are, we'll discuss all these things in the next class also. Till then, bye bye. Take care, everyone. It's time to end the class here. Thank you all. Thanks for your time. Thanks for your patience. Also, we'll meet tomorrow, and from tomorrow we'll start our concepts. Thoda speed. Okay. So thank you. You can leave now. Bye bye, everyone.